Hello everybody. Today I am going to teach you multiplication of three large numbers, and these large numbers are near some base. See how. See, three large numbers near the base, and in this I am going to teach you. See, in this we have three cases. One is above the base, and another is below the base, and another is which is below the base and above the base both. So today only one case I am going to discuss with you, that is above the base. Look at this question. This is 89 multiplied by 82 multiplied by 87. Now I am going to write down the base here, and the base is 80. Now you see why the base is 80 here and why the base is not 90. What is the reason? You can see 89 is much closer to 90 and 87 is also much closer to 90. So why I have not taken the base 90? Because I am going to discuss with you above the base. If I will write down here 90, so all these are numbers below 90. 89 is below 90, 87 is below 90, but these numbers, all these numbers are above 80. So we are doing all the questions of above the base. Okay. Now you see, you look at this 89. How much is this 89 more than 80? This is add 9. Okay. Now here 82 plus 2. Okay. Why I have written plus 2 here? Because this is 2 more than 80, and plus 2 I have written because I have to put the sign here positive, because this is more, so I have write down the sign of positive. Okay. Now 87 is 7 more than 80, so plus 7. I have written all the marks of addition here because these numbers are more than 80. So first you write down A oblique B oblique C. Now see, you have to first find out the value of C. You see these numbers, you look at these values. These are the excess values. Okay, these are the excess value. Now to find out the value of C, you have to multiply all these excess values, all the excess value. 9 multiply 2 multiply 7. Okay. Now you got the value of C, so you have to find out the value of B. Now first thing you have to look here, this is 80. You have to find out the multiplier here. And what is the multiplier here? M. Okay, you have to find out the multiplier here. M. What is M here? 8 is your M. Your 8 is your multiplier. So you write down this 8 here. Okay. Now 8 here you will write down now in the bracket. Now you look at these excess values. You have to multiply all these excess values in pairs of 2. Like this, one is this, one is this. You take these two first term. Okay, take these two terms first. I told you you have to multiply in the pairs of 2. So what are the first two terms? First term is 9 multiply 2. These are the first two terms. Add. Now next two terms. What are the next two terms? This 2 and 7. So okay, in bracket 2 and 7. Then add. Now next two terms. This 7 you have not multiplied by 9. So here you will write down 7 multiply 9 and bracket close. So will get the answer 760. Okay, you got the value of C, you got the value of B, you have to find out the value of A. To find out the value of A, you have to first take the square of the multiplier. 8 square of 8. Okay, square of 8, then put a bracket, then now you see 89. Okay, now you look here 89. If I take 89, then you look at the excess value of 89. 9 is the excess value of 89. So abhi right now I am going to write down here 89. Okay, 89. I have written this 89. So now I will keep my hand on the excess value of 89. Why? Because see, I will now not take the excess value of 89 because 89 I have already written here. Now what are the other two excess values? This 2 and 7 you can see. So if you have written this 89 here, you write down the other two excess value here and now you will solve it. Okay. Now 8 8 is 64 and if you will solve it, so you will put a bracket here. Okay, now you got this 64 multiplied 98 and when you will solve it, you will get here 6272. Now see A, B and C. Now you have got the value of A, B and C. So all these values you will put here. Okay. Now you see I am going to write down the values. C is 126. So 126 here slash B is 760 slash A is 6272. Look at these numbers. Now 126. Okay, 126. But you look here, this is 80. And in 80 you can clearly see only 1 0 is here. Okay, only 1 0 is here. So like if only 1 0 is here, so from 126 you will keep only one digit here. Okay, you will write, see how I am going to write down. If here you are able to see only 1 0, so here from 126 these 3 digits are here. You will not take 3 digits, you will take 1 digit. 1 digit, last 1 digit is 6 slash. Now this 12 is left, so 760 plus 12. Okay, you will do this. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 6 plus 7. So you got this 772. You will write down this 772 here. Again slash. This you will write down as it is. Okay, this you will write down as it is. Now see, this you have solved, so you will write down this as it is. Now look at this. Now from here also you can see 3 digits are here, but only again 1. So what is the last 1 digit? Only 2. So 2 you will write down here. This 77 is left. So what you will do is 6272 plus this your 77. Okay, this your 77. So what will you get here? 9, 7 plus 7, 4, 3, 6. So you will get this 6349 and now you will write down this and you check with the calculator. This is your answer. Now you look here, 67 multiply 62 multiply 64. You can clearly see the base here is 60. Okay, base is 60. Write down the excess value here. This is plus 7 here, this is plus 2 here, this is plus 4. You find out the write down here A oblique B oblique C. Find out the value of C. 7 into 2 into 4, and you will get the answer 56. Now you look at B. You have to find out the value of B. You see what is the multiplier here. Multiplier here is 6. So you write down here 6 in the bracket. Then I told you have to multiply two terms. Okay. So first two terms 7. This 7 and 2. Okay. 7 multiply 2 plus now next two terms 2 multiply 4. Now next two terms 4 multiply with this 7. Okay. So 4 multiply with this 7. Close the bracket. Okay. So if you will find out 6. Now this is 7 to the 14 plus 2 for the 8 plus 7 for the 28. So if you will solve it out, you will get here 6 multiplied by this 50, which is equals to 300. Okay, so the value of B is 300. Now you have to find out the value of A. To find out the value of A, the square of the multiplier 6. Okay, square of 6, then bracket. Now I am taking this first term 67. Okay, 67 I have taken. So I will not take the excess of 67. What are the remaining two excess? You can see plus 2 plus 4. So you solve it out, and what will you get here? Now see, you have to solve this, the value of A. 6 square, that is equals to 36. Now into, you have to find out this 62 plus 67 plus 2, 69. 69 plus 4, that is equals to 73. So what is the value of A? So this is the value of A. Okay, like this. Now you have got the value of A, B and C. Now you look here, this is A slash B slash C. So value of C is 56 slash value of B is 300 slash value of A is 2628. Now C, look here, 60. Okay, so how many zeros are there in the base? You can see only 1 0. So I told you, if 1 0 is here, you will keep here only one digit, 6. Last one digit is 6. So keep 6 here and make a slash. 5 is left. So you have to add this 5 to this 300. So if you will add 5 to 300, that will be equal to 305. Then slash. Now you write down this 2628 as it is. Now in the last, this you have already solved 6. From 305, you see these are the 3 digits, but you will not take these 3 digits because only 1 0 is here. So last one digit you will take here 5. And what you will do with this 30? 2628. This 2628 is here. You will add this 30. Okay, with this 2628. So what will you get? Here 8, here 5, here 6, here 2. Okay, and this you will write down here 8, 5, 6, 2. And now this is your final answer. Okay. Now you look at this question. 904 multiplied by 907 multiplied by 908. So clearly you can see here your base is 900. Find out the A oblique B oblique C. See how fast now I am doing. C. Okay, first you find out the excess. Okay, this is plus 4, this is plus 7, this is plus 8. Then C is equals to 4 into 7 into 8. Then Now you got the value of C. You look at B. Now now what is the multiplier here? You know multiplier here is 9. So write down 9 here. You will write down 9 here in the bracket. Now you have to multiply here two terms. Now first two terms 4 and 7. So 4 into 7 plus next two terms 7 into 8 plus next two terms 8 into 4, close the bracket, and then you will solve it. 9 into 4 7 is 28 plus 7 is 56 plus 8 is 32. Okay, so when you will solve it, you will get here 1044. Okay, now you have to find out the value of A. Now see, A is equals to square of the multiplier. Okay, 9 square. Now in the bracket, I told you, see, if I am taking 904, okay, I have written this 904. I will not take the excess value of 904. Okay, see, this 4 is the excess of 904. So if I have written this 904, I will not take the excess value of 904, but these two remaining excess values I will take, plus 7 plus 8. So when you will solve it out, you will get here 81. 919, and when you will solve this, 74439. Okay, now this is the value of A. Now you got the value of A, B and C. Now you put simply here in this. C is equal to 224 slash B is equal to 4401 slash this is 93447. Okay, so as I told you, now you look here, in this case 900. Okay, you can see 20 here. So if 2 zeros are here, so from these 3 digits you will take यहाँ last 2 digits. Okay, because here 2 zeros, take last 2 digits and this 1, this 2. Okay, this 2 is left, so you will add this 2 to this number. Okay, so what will you do? 1044 plus 2. So this 4 plus 2 is 6, 401. Okay, now slash, now 93447. Now you see this is solved, so you will write down 24 as it is. Okay, now look at this portion. I told you कि 2 zeros are here, so from this you will write down last 2 digits here. 10 is left, so what will you do? 74439. This 74439 is there, so you will add 10 to this. Okay, so what will you write down here? 9, 3 plus 1 4, then 4, then 4, and this 7. And now this is your final answer. Okay, now you look at this question. This is 1006 multiplied by 1005 multiplied by 1007. Clearly you can see here the base. Okay, base here is, what is the base here? 1000. Okay, 1000 is the base, and A slash B slash C, take out the excess value here, plus 6 here, plus 5, and here plus 7. Okay, so to find out C, what will you do? 6 multiply 5 multiply 7, which is equals to, okay, you find out the value of B. Now to find out the value of B, you look here carefully. What is the multiplier? See, sometimes the children make mistake here, because here you see what is the multiplier? Sometimes it happens, sometimes that children make mistake here. They forget one, they just don't consider this one, but you have to write down this one, okay? Because if you will not write down this one, and you will get confused in some other questions, okay, why you have not written it. You better just write down, okay? Multiply here is 1. Yeah. So what you have to do, this one I am going to write down, okay? I will just not leave it. So in the bracket now, what you have to do, multiply two numbers, okay? 6 into 5, okay? Then plus 5 into 7 plus then 7 into 6, okay? Now 7 into 6. 7 into 6. So you solve it out. 6 5 are 30, 5 7 are 35 plus 7 6 are 42. So here okay. Now C, you got the value of C, you got the value of B. Now you have to find out the value of A. Now square of the multiplier. 1 is the multiplier, so 1. Now see, here I am going to write down 1006. Then I have taken this, so I will not take the excess of 1006. Now what are the remaining two excess? 5 and 7 are the remaining two excess. So plus 5 and plus 7. So 1 square 1. Here what will you get? Okay, you will write down here multiply 1018. Okay, so now A is equals to 1018. Now you got the value of A, B and C. I'm going to write down. Now you see, I have written here the values of A, B and C. You write down here. In place of C, you write down 210. In place of B, write down the value 107. In place of A, write down the value 1018. Now what I want to tell you in this question is, the main thing is this only, okay? You see how many zeros are here? 3 zeros. So now in this, when you have to do the balancing here, 3 zeros are here. So you have to write down 3. Already you can see only 3 digits are here. You write down the last 3 digits and move to the next. Here also you can see these last 3 digits. Write down these last 3 digits, and in the last, you know, whatever here is left, you have to write down it as it is. Okay. And this is your final answer. Now you see, I have done all the questions with you. I have done these questions slowly with you, only just to explain. If I do these questions fast, so you will not be able to understand. So abhi right now I have done this slowly. But once you will practice all these questions, and you see in the competitive exams, you will not get the time to solve it out. And once you will practice it, right now it seems as if it is taking too much of the time. But believe me, if you will practice it, the more and more you practice it, the less and less time you will take in another questions. So please, it's my request, you practice all these, and these will be very useful. And thanks for watching my video, and in the next video I will discuss with you another cases in the multiplication. Thanks for watching.